Here we are driving down Lakeside Road, the backside, and we had to document how pretty this looks. Pretty with a little bit of danger going down the road. Look how the weight of the trees. Holy smokes.
That's funny. Icicles hanging from the tree.
We tried to go the other way, and there were two big trees down, blocking the way. So we're gonna roll the dice and head this way.
Looks like someone slid.
Just going off the road around a broken tree.
Oh.
Looks like someone's been out in the chainsaw already. This is crazy. This is the first maiden voyage in the Suburban, or the Yukon, using the four-wheel drive, and so far I've been relatively impressed. So,
Suburban car.
speed bump. Anyway, you got anything to say, Taryn?
No.
What about you, Ella? Got anything to say?
I'm scared.
Ella's scared, but she's got her little doll holding her and keeping her safe.
Sounds
Anyway, Arkansas Adventure, Log 1, out.